Hi, I'm Denise Ferrante. I'm owner, trainer, and licensed massage therapist at Fit for Life Pilates and Wellness here in Oceanside. And I'm here with Carolyn Cook, also a Pilates instructor. And today we're going to go over some exercises that you would normally see in our studio. We're going to start with the knee series today. So Carolyn is going to set herself up on the knees. Heels are going to go against the shoulder blocks. Really push those heels in. Let's open up your knees so that they're parallel with your hips. They're right in line with the hips. Okay, so you're going to lift the head, tailbone up. Before you start, you're going to just tuck your tailbone underneath, but you're not going to shorten your spine. So you're going to keep this nice and long. Good. When you're ready, you're going to go ahead and push out, push into the heels and in. Good. Don't shorten this. So just pull in from the tailbone without losing the length in your spine. Go ahead and give me one more. You're going to bring the tailbone up to the ceiling and the head. Bring it back. Good. Keeping that length in your torso. Really push through the heels, pushing all the way out. Good. Give me one more. Go back to your tucked position when you come in. So from the tailbone curling under, keep that length. So lift, keep that length. Good. Keep pulling back on those shoulders. Good. Don't crunch here. Keep lifting. And when you're ready, you're going to lift those knees up to the hover, fully pushing out all the way. Good. Keep lengthening out all the way. Give me three more. Watch that back up here. One more. Come all the way in and down. Okay, thanks.